Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, what I pretty much do every day, very simple and stuff. So I already did my eyebrows. So right now I'm going in with this eye cream by Shea Moisture. I forgot what it was called. It was some eye cream infusion thing, but I'm using this, put it under my eyes and everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Versali. I think I'm pronouncing it right. That's the Rose Gold Beauty Oil Elixir, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. I'm pretty much out of it. So sad. I love this stuff, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Alright, so now, oh my gosh, this milk, y'all already know, I think it's the Hydro Grip primer. This is like the best primer I've used in a long time. Alyssa put me on it, like watching her video. She loves it. She was raving about it, and I had to try it, and I love it too. That stuff is bomb. Like, it's the best thing. I need to go get some more because I'm pretty much out of it. Okay, next I'm gonna go on my foundation, and my foundation issue right now is a little crazy. I mix so many different foundations right now because I know I need to get some new ones, but right now I'm just trying to use up what I have because I don't want it all to go to waste. So I just will mix like 2, 3, 4 shades to get a good color for my skin, and even then it still really wasn't the best, but I made it work.
Keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow.
Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder to set my face, set that foundation. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush. Love this brush, love this powder, works wonders. Just gonna put that all over my face. At first I didn't like this powder. You know how you kind of have a love-hate relationship with a product, like you like it first and then you don't like it and then you go back to it. That's how it was with this powder for me. Next, going to use my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I love this stuff. I heard so much about it and I finally got my hands on it, and I really love using this to set my foundation and everything in place. All right, next, using setting spray. This is actually a primer and a setting spray, and it's by Giovanni, I believe. I think I got it from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I love that stuff. It's really good. Alright, next I'm going into the It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm using the shade French Toast, I believe. Love that shade to highlight my face. Pretty much going to be going ham in with the highlighting. Love to highlight my face.
To feel the wake of your motion, and I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon, but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember.
Alright, after I'm finally done highlighting, I do another set of setting spray just to set everything in place again. I don't know why I was looking like that. This was some on my phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the look and everything. Oh, I forgot about my lip gloss. I did the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Put that on my lips. Oh, and that's my doll. That's my baby. Her name is Sasha. She's a Yorkie poo. She wanted to say hi. But yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm putting on my lip gloss and everything. This is like the only lip gloss I really wear. Like, I hate lip gloss, but Fenty Beauty actually made me really like it. So yeah, that's pretty much the finished look and everything. This is my everyday natural makeup look that I do. When I go to work, whatever, like, this is what I do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
No need to leave, spend a whole life.